Tesla hiring body fit technicians for Cybercab. Tesla has posted job openings for body fit technicians for the Cybercab's end-of-line assembly, an apparent indication that preparations for the vehicle's initial production are accelerating at Giga Texas. Body fit technicians for Cybercab line. As per Tesla's careers website, body fit technicians for the Cybercab focus on precision body fitment work, including alignment, gap and flush adjustments, and certification of body assemblies to specification standards. Employees selected for the role will collaborate with engineering and quality teams to diagnose and correct fitment and performance issues, and handle detailed inspections, among other tasks. The listing noted that candidates should be experienced with automotive body fit techniques and comfortable with physically demanding tasks such as lifting, bending, walking, and using both hand and power tools. The position is based in Austin, Texas, where Tesla's main Cybercab production infrastructure is being built. Tesla is hiring body fit technicians for the final stage of the Cybercab unboxed production line, ahead of production starting in April. Cybercab poised for April production. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently reiterated that the Cybercab is still expected to start initial production this coming April. So far, numerous Cybercab test units have been spotted across the United States, and recent posts from the official Tesla robotaxi account have revealed that winter tests in Alaska for the autonomous two-seater are underway. While April has been confirmed as the date for the Cybercab's initial production, Elon Musk has also set expectations about the vehicle's volumes in its initial months. As per the CEO, the Cybercab's production will follow a typical S-curve, which means that early production rates for the vehicle will be very limited. Initial production is always very slow and follows an S-curve. The speed of production ramp is inversely proportionate to how many new parts and steps there are. For Cybercab and Optimus, almost everything is new, so the early production rate will be agonizingly slow, but eventually end up being insanely fast, Musk wrote in a post on X Source, reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.